What's up, friends? Alex with Stucco Done Right, putting together another video. What's up? Anyway, I wanted to ask kindly, or however, the roofers to install that piece of flashing. That is called Raintek Kick-out flashing. What that non-expensive item will do will prevent all that damage from happening. Of course, that unit, it's ours. It used to have a metal piece. That plastic piece was not there. Our contract was to install one. And then we found out that the previous one, because it was wrongly installed, caused a lot of moisture damage. So, just please add kick-out flashing. We're gonna install the same over there on those little roofs and the side, that side and that side. It's gonna look kind of big, but it's all right. The customer has reported that there's water leaks in that window. That's why we're opening all those windows. And indeed, we found moisture damage like right around there. So that is what we do, folks. Another project from Stucco Done Right. That's what we do. We're gonna be resurfacing the whole front and this side up to here. But then we weren't going to we are installing kick-out flashing and doing moisture investigations because we noticed there was some cracking there. So sure enough, there was some, there's moisture. Again, that plastic piece right there. Some people say they look ugly. The roofers have laughed at it because they say it's massive. Look at it, how it looks from the front. So it's not tiny, and that's what we want to protect the wall. I don't care what the roofers say, it's not to protect the roof anymore. It will protect the roof and the wall. The flashing, the little bitty flashing that the roofers install, well, let me see, that little piece, let's see. Whoa. Wow. It's not just the drip edge flashing. We just got it. But I was gonna show you that the flashing that the roofers install do not do the job right. Alrighty, folks. Well, let me get off of here. This is where I was standing. Not good. So anyways, alrighty, folks. Thanks for watching another one of my videos from Stucco Done Right. I'll leave you with this view. Look at this. Ooh, yeah. Those are the Rocky Mountains, in case you're wondering. Yep. Oh, those are the front range of the Colorado Rocky Mountains.